The brand new Lorcana set, Shimmering Skies, is officially here. The set features a ton of beautiful cards, like Enchanted, super rares, and others. The set features Mufasa Enchanted, it features the Snow White Enchanted, and it features the Daisy Duck super rare that we're all looking for. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and put on notification. Maybe leave a comment if you guys like the content. Let's get to it. Okay. So, I'm really excited for this set, to be honest. Both the Enchanted cards. I did predict there's going to be a not Mufasa, because there is a Mufasa card in this one. I did predict there's going to be a Mulan card Enchanted. That was my prediction. There's not. Oh, this is a bit different. But they did it different this time. Cool. Awesome. Okay, let's check this out. But there's some other cards. There are many awesome cards. Let's check out the booster packs. Okay, so we have these three. I really like these two especially. The Maui, that's cool. There's a Maui Enchanted I'm hoping to pull. I am probably looking forward to some super rares, of course, some other cards. But the Mufasa card is really awesome. Okay. Yeah, okay. Bonsai. Gathering knowledge and wisdom. Lilo. Awesome. Wisdom of the future. Royal Guard. Mother Gothel. Awesome. Rapunzel's Tower. Nice. Simba. Awesome. Luisa Madrigal, Robin Hood, and got all fumed out. So that was the first booster pack of the set. So I'm really excited about this, to be honest. I've been really looking forward to this, as you probably have as well. There's a lot of cards I would like to add to my deck. I'm gonna tell you which ones. This is actually a pretty nice card that I'm gonna keep an eye on. Minnie Mouse, nice. Sneezy, Tebow, that's nice. I love Tebow. Archimedes, plate armor, Cusco, super rare, nice. First super rare, and Yzma, foil rare, nice. That was good. There's some really nice super rares. I'm hoping to pull some of them, and of course the legendaries. I'll let you know which ones as we go and which cards we'll get. But super excited. Okay. So, Minnie Mouse, Daisy Duck. Okay, Daisy Duck. We're really looking for a Daisy Duck card in this set. Anna, Happy. Merlin, Magnificent. Deny, nice. Super rare, Minnie Mouse. Drum Major, nice. Okay. And Merlin, Turtle, foil. Awesome. Okay. So, first 3 packs opened. So far, so good. Check it out. Evil Unprepared, Night Howler, White Rabbit, Healing Touch, Tanana, Duck for Cover. Huh, nice word scheme. Sven, Sleepy. Okay. Elsa. Awesome. The 5th Spirit. Awesome card. Okay. That was awesome. Okay. A lot of super rares to begin with. I think we have 3 now. That's pretty awesome. There's some really nice super rares. There's some really nice legendaries. Of course, I wouldn't mind an Enchanted. But let's see what we get. Right again, Ed, Cogsworth, Fix-It, Felix Jr. Chaka, nice. Oh, I think this is going to be a really nice card to play with. Sing deck. Gaston. First legendary. Maribel Madrigal. Nice. Okay. Rapunzel Tower foil. Okay, nice. First legendary. That is not bad. Gonna keep that close. Cool. I'll let you know which ones I'm looking for as we go. Which legendaries and super rares. There's some I want more than others, to be honest. And which rares and super rares. Awesome. I really like Kronk. I think he's one of my favorite characters in Disney. Like, he is definitely one of my favorite characters. I really like Kronk. So that was nice. That was really, really nice. I was actually hoping for that one, to be honest. Okay, let's see what we have. Basil, Vatican, Ed. Okay. So we've had all these actually. Anna, the Queen, and Simba. Okay. So Simba, we're looking for your dad in Enchanted. That would be so nice. So nice. Really be looking forward to this. Hoping to show you guys some awesome cards. Break free. Clarabelle. Whole lot of Clarabelles in this set. The Queen. Happy. Little John. Try Everything. Stitch. Sherwood Forest. Elsa's Ice Palace. And Ratigan. Foil. Common foil. Okay. So this set, I've been really looking forward to seeing it, because there's going to be some cards that are really nice playing with. I think it's going to change a whole lot of things. Mill of Heroes. Evils Come Prepared. Okay, have these before. Healing Touch. Oh, yeah, sorry guys. Hey. Love Hey. Love some Hey. Amethyst. Moana, nice. Another super rare, and oh, sorry. There's a really botched trying to pull away the card. Glad. Okay, not glad that wasn't enchanted, but wouldn't have been that smooth. So, can just pull these away. Okay. So let's see what we get from this one. Donald Duck, Daisy's Date, Flora. Okay, Kenai, nice. Donald Duck. Yago. Oh, Clarabelle, legendary, nice. Okay. Okay, another legendary. We'll take it. We'll definitely take it. So that's 2 legendaries. Like hopeful for how many legendaries we're gonna get. I've had everything from 6 legendaries to 3 legendaries, so could be some more. Shaka, Break Free, Clarabelle, another Clarabelle, Retsosphere, Healing, Decanter, Shield of Arendelle, nice. Arthur, King Candy. There's an enchanted version of that one. Enchanted version of that one. Okay. Sasu. Okay. Sasu. Okay, so I think, I'm not sure. I haven't been counting, but I think we have wave here. Okay, let's check it. Simba, Robin Hood, Maleficent, Fix-It Felix Jr., Merlin, Dobby, Little John, Maid Marian, Food Fight, Scrooge McDuck. Sorry, I'm not gonna try to say that name. That's not gonna. Oh, nice! Super rare foil. Really nice card. Awesome. That was definitely something I was hoping for. Okay, let's check it. Let's check it, let's check it, let's check it. What we get. Tanana. Donald Duck. Yeah, okay. Kenai, Simba. Sorry. Scar, Jibo. King of Hearts. Talk of War. Grumpy, another super rare. So many super rares. Hey, foil, nice. So many super rares. Oh my god. Is that common? Or am I just lucky? I don't know. Okay, this pack feels a bit different. I'm not gonna say how I know, like how, but it feels different. Merlin, Root, right, nice. Minnie Mouse, Dobby. You're welcome. Hoping to get that one. Enchanted. Nala. 7 dwarfs, mine. I'm trying to bend my head so I can check it out. Okay. Scrooge McDuck. Foil. Okay. Wasn't that different? Okay. Really glad to open this on the release date. Probably couldn't wait any longer. So that's really nice. Oh, nice. Love the character. Remember who you are. Vasa, nice. Hope you get that. Enchanted. Pete. Foil is not what I'm looking for. Okay, 9 packs left. 9 packs left, guys. Let's dive in. Check it out. The Queen. Mickey Mouse. Fauna. Okay. Hey. Super rare again. The Queen. Who's with me? And Archimedes. Okay. 2 super rares. 1 pack. Awesome. That's nice. Got so many super rares. Is that common? Huh, common. Is it? Like, leave a comment if it's like, if you think it's normal to get this many super rares. I don't know if we're just gonna get some really bad stuff as we go. Oh, Olaf, nice. Want that enchanted as well. I just think we have so many super rares. It's pretty nice. Actually, just want to say something. Quick. Rudy. Gotta love me some Rudy. So awesome. Okay. Definitely gotta get some more legendaries. I hope, at least. Okay, let's check it out. Sazu. Anna. Healing, Decanter, Basil, Mickey Mouse. Right to the ball. Stitch, Rafiki. Nice. There's an enchanted version of this one, and it's not gonna be in this one, but nice with another legendary. Awesome. Awesome. That was good. I think it's been pretty decent until now. 6 packs left. So, of course, we could always use an enchanted, but I think we have some decent cards. Pacha, nice. Scar. Wreck-It Ralph. Turbo. Okay. Yeah, okay. 5 packs left. Okay. Let's go. Maximus super rare. 2 super rares again in 1 pack. And Bashful. Okay, but 2 super rares again. I think that Maximus card is, I think that's gonna be pretty good. Yeah, awesome. A lot of super rares. Like, I find that really, really awesome. Okay. Oh, this is going well. So, Daisy Duck. I really want a Daisy Duck card, but just not that one. Oh, sorry, guys. Funny that's not a. Yeah. Okay. It is a song, but still. Okay. Yeah. I just kind of showed you guys there was gonna be a common card. Okay. Probably gonna need some last pack magic, I'm fearing. Maybe, or just last 3 packs magic. Oh, yes. Yeah, okay. Just blanking out for a second. Okay. Oh, nice. Another one of those. Okay. Revive. There's an enchanted version of that one as well. Not gonna hit that in this case. Okay. Next 2 packs left, guys. Hoping to pull that enchanted card for you guys, so you can see one of those. They look real. Oh, okay, nice. They look really nice, the enchanted cards. Oh, Kronk, nice. Another one. And Clarabelle again. Sven. Another super rare Pete. Genie, legendary. Okay, I've been checking this set out for quite some time, and I did not know there's a Genie actually. Kind of embarrassing. Elsa's Ice Palace. Nice. Okay, 4 legendaries. That's nice. That is not bad. Not sad about that one. And a super rare foil. Awesome. That was not pretty. That was not pretty. Okay. Let's check it out. Just skipped a card there as well. Okay, this is definitely not my pack to open. Like, this is... Okay, Prince Philip. Merlin legendary. Nice foil. Okay. Awesome. That was some last pack magic, actually. Okay. Guys, let's check out what we got from this booster box. Okay. So this was the really heavy hitters. We got a Merlin legendary foil. Yeah, that's pretty cool. We got the Genie legendary, Clarabelle legendary, Mirabelle Madrigal legendary, Arthur legendary, and we got, oh, where did that one go? Okay, we got a super rare as well in foil. So that was awesome as well. We got a whole lot of super rares. So that was nice. Guys, hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna be opening some more booster boxes from Shimmering Skies, so stay tuned if you guys want to check it out. I'm probably gonna hope to find some more legendaries, of course, some super rares. Trying to get that Daisy Duck. Otherwise, maybe Enchanted. We have a whole case, so I'm gonna make 3 other videos if you guys want to check it out. And if you want to see some videos that I already have, check the links. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed your viewing this. And see you in the next video. Peace.